In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip clan skills in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, if you want to get family perks, you will be able to do it by going over to the customization menu from the home screen. So choose customization before selecting play. And one of the options at the bottom is going to be family perks. So you will have different chances to get specific perks. You can check them over here at the top of the screen. So you have mythical, legendary, epic, rare, and common. And each of these will have different family perks inside of them. And you will be able to roll for them here. So you have to buy spins and then roll. Once you get one of these, you will be able to see if the specific family that you acquired has perks available. So I'm gonna keep rolling to see if I can get one of these to demonstrate. Most of the common ones won't have anything, so you have to get rare and above to see if you will be able to get perks. For you to get skills, you will be able to go inside of the game and change them there. So you will have the passives here already activated, good to go. Now, if you go inside of the game, and you access the menu at the top of the screen, you will be able to customize the skill tree and the skills that you currently have equipped and that you can use during battle. So load into any lobby, and using the menu at the top of the screen, you will be able to change them. You might find them on your inventory, or you will be able to change them from your equipment. So go over here to equipment, and you will be able to see the skills that you have available. Now, my character is a newbie, I don't have anything, but in here you will be able to get new skills by going down the skill tree and using these abilities as needed. Some of these are going to be passive while others will be active. I hope I was able to help you on how to get clan skills in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.